This is going to be a quick demo of the deck cost calculator. Instantly estimate deck installation costs for homeowners and contractors. So what I'm going to do right now is just take you through the settings real quick. If you want to check this out for yourself, if you're a contractor or a homeowner, you want to get a ballpark figure for a deck cost, how much it's going to cost you to install one, this is going to be the tool you're going to want to use. The link's going to be directly below in the video description box. So there's two modes here. There's a homeowner mode and a contractor mode. So select whichever one you are. You're going to put the deck length in feet here. And for this demo, we're just going to put 20 feet. Deck width, we're going to do 10 feet. Deck height, you got ground level, raised 3 to 6 feet, elevated 6+ feet. So select whichever one applies to you. We're going to put ground level, deck material. You got pressure, treated wood, cedar, composite, PVC, and hardwood. We're just going to put regular pressure treated wood. Railing, none, wood, composite, aluminum. You can select whichever one you want. We're going to put wood. Stairs, 1 or 2 plus sets. Remove existing deck. You got an option for that. You can check it on or check it off, whatever situation applies to you. Location and build details. Location, cost level. This gives you a ballpark figure. Low cost area, average, high cost area. We're just going to put average. Build complexity, average, rectangular, easy access. You got average, you got complex, multi-level, tight access. So select whatever one applies to your current situation. So we're going to do average. And this is in homeowner mode. We're going to put calculate desk. It actually goes right here. That's a low estimate, high estimate, average, and high estimate. Cost per square feet. Total area, that's for 200 square feet. Main deck, railing, stairs. It gives you a total estimated cost and all that good stuff. You want to put in the contractor mode, you can do that as well. Material cost per square feet. If you're a contractor, you can put that in. Labor cost per square feet, profit margin, permit cost, disposal cost, and sales tax for whatever U.S. state you're in. And then it'll calculate that as well for you contractors out there that want to use this tool. If you want to come on over and check this out, it's free to use. Links directly below. It's over at instantsalesfunnels.com. I also offer a done-for-you service where I can install this on your site. If you're a contractor, you want this installed on your site for lead generation, come on over, check this out. If you like it, I can also customize this for your business. Just click one of these links here, the top or bottom of this tool, and it'll give you all the information that you need for me to install this on your site. So with that being said, come on over, check it out. Links directly below. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.